Good morning. We have got concrete coming at us today. So you can see one truck's just leaving and we've got another one on the way. We've got our line pump in place, and I'll show you what it looks like when the concrete goes down when we pour our slab in the bottom floor of our house. So first thing we're going to see is a laser level set up right there. It's an auto leveling laser level, and on their tools are placers, the fellows that are placing the concrete for us. They actually have a receiver for this level right on their tools, so they actually can know the exact depth of this concrete, so they make it dead flat all the way across. We're putting hardwood floors in here. It's important that our concrete is flat. You also might remember that we blocked out our foundation wherever our doors are going to be. So the reason we do that is so that our concrete slab can flow through and not crack on those doors. So this slab flows right through that door, right through that door. And we had to think of that as we were actually laying out the foundations of this house. It's just one of those things that you kind of get used to doing and looking ahead for. So we've got this up to grade in here, and then they'll come back and trowel this smooth once it sets up. Garage is done, and you can see the garage has a slope in it too. And then we're going to run cuts on that garage so that where the concrete does crack, but it'll crack in the places that we want it to crack. So also the material that we're using here is that polyfiber concrete. It's very similar to fiberglass. It's got little tiny glass, or little tiny, I'm not sure they're glass, little tiny fibers inside that concrete, and it holds everything together. That's what it looks like going in. Another couple of tricks we use is we put a thicker strip of concrete down along the foot of the garage there. A lot of times when garages crack, they'll crack off the end. And by running that 6-inch trough kind of along the end of that garage, it makes our concrete stronger and thicker and less prone to snapping or cracking 20 years from now. So concrete floor started, another truck on its way with the balance. We also managed to pour some forms out the front there too, so we can make use of that line pump when it's here. We pour as much as we can while we got the trucks here. Saves the clients money, faster for us, and works better. So concrete halfway there. I'll show you when it's all finished. Talk to you soon.